Hello, class 7. Today in our physics, the discussion is entitled Color Addition. Now, yesterday I had introduced to you about primary colors of light. You can see some glimpse that I had taught yesterday. Primary colors, what are primary colors? Red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. These three colors are known as primary colors of light. Now, any two primary colors of light, if you combine them, then you get a secondary color of light. Like here, red and green, two primary colors, when you combine, you obtain yellow color. So, yellow is a secondary color. Similarly, red and blue, if you combine, then you get, in the middle you can see magenta color. Blue and green, if you combine, you get cyan. Okay, bluish color. Now, this intensity of yellow color, yellow can be made dark yellow or light yellow. You can vary the intensity of red or green. Suppose you give more of red color and less of green color, then the yellow color will be some other shade. Okay, similarly you can do vice versa. That means increase green colors intensity and reduce red colors intensity, then you will get a different shade of yellow color. The same thing you can do with this combination also, red and blue. If you increase the shade of red color and decrease the shade of blue color, you will get magenta, but a different shade of magenta. Okay, similarly if you increase blue intensity and reduce red's intensity, then also you will get a magenta color, but its shade will be somewhat different. So you can actually increase, decrease, or keep both the intensities similar of the two primary colors, then the intensity of the secondary color that you will get will be a little different. So many combinations of colors can be created this way, right? So these are the typical examples of color addition that we are going to discuss now. Color addition is adding any two primary colors to get a secondary color. That is called color addition. Okay, you have a different diagram given in the same page. You can see over here the same thing that is shown over here in this diagram is also shown over here. Blue and red combination or addition of blue and red colors gives magenta. Blue and green, when you add, you get cyan. Green and red, when you add, you get yellow color. The same thing that is shown here is also shown over here in a different form of diagram. So these are the examples of color addition. Okay, so remember, secondary colors are obtained how? When any two primary colors you combine, then you get a secondary color. So which are the three secondary colors? Magenta, yellow, and cyan. Now this combination of primary colors to get secondary colors are used in our mobile phones or televisions. You must have heard this word pixels. Now in our screens of television or mobile phone there are pixels. Pixels are small dots which are so close to each other that we don't see them individually. Okay, these pixels we don't see them individually, but these pixels, when electricity passes through them, they are illuminated. That means they light up, and depending on which color the pixels light up with, we get different colors. Okay, when pixels, suppose two pixels having red and blue, when they light up, then it will create an impression of, what does red and blue combine to give? Red and blue combine to give magenta. So like that, suppose if pixels of blue and green color light up, then it will give an impression of cyan color, like that. So combination, color combinations or color addition phenomena is used in our televisions also. You can see one more example of color addition over here. This woman or girl is dancing on a stage, and this stage is lighted up with blue color, red color, and green color. So you can see when green and red are lighted, that portion where the green and red combine, yellow color is created. Where green and blue combine, there's cyan color. And where blue and red combine, there is magenta. And where all these three colors combine, in the center you can see that there is a white color. So many different colors are created by three primary colors. So this is also an example of color addition. Appearance of color of an object. Now, what color an object appears to us, we have a misconception in our minds. The misconception or the false thing that is there in our mind is, whatever the object's color is, that only we see with our eyes. That is not true actually. Every object is made up of some colors, or we say pigments. And when light falls on it, that is white light falls on it. So when white light falls on any object, that object has some pigments in it. These pigments are capable of absorbing colors from the white light. You know, white light is made up of so many colors. The primary colors are red, blue and green. Now what I said just now, I can explain with an example, but before that we need to know one more topic known as color subtraction. Okay, color subtraction. What is color subtraction? Let me illustrate color subtraction by this diagram. See, white light is made up of red, green and blue colors. Suppose this combination of green and blue color, that is, what color we get when we combine red, green and blue? We get white color, no? Say white color is falling. White color has these three primary colors. It falls on an object. That object is capable of absorbing the blue color. Okay, as I said, no, some objects, or all the objects in fact, they have capacities of absorbing some colors and reflecting the remaining colors. So now if this is a surface on which white light, which is a combination of red, green and blue color, falls, this object absorbs the blue color from this white light. So only red and green are reflected. Now just now we studied that red and green colors, when you combine, you get yellow color. So over here in this example, if only red and green colors are reflected, then it will create an impression in our eyes. The person who is standing over here, when that reflected light goes into that person's eye, then that person will see this reflected ray as yellow color. So this particular surface for this person will appear yellow color. This surface may be actually made up of some other colors, but when this person looks at it, this surface will appear yellow color to him. So as I said, no, I was talking over here, appearance of color of an object. So this color of this particular surface appears yellow to the person who is observing, but this may be made up of some other colors. In reality, it may be made up of some other color, but the person is seeing this one to be yellow color. Okay, so it is not that what color the object is made up of, it will be visible to the person the same color. It is a misconception. It is not true. Okay, actually what happens, objects appear of different colors because they absorb some lights, colors of light. Wavelength means color, okay, some colors, and reflect or transmit other colors. The colors we see are the wavelengths or colors that are reflected. Like in this case, white light was falling on this surface. The surface was capable of absorbing blue light. So blue light was absorbed and only the remaining, that is red and green lights, were reflected. So red and green creates an impression of what? Red and green creates an impression of yellow color. So the person who may be standing over here, when this reflected combination of red and green reflected disc reaches his eyes or her eyes, then it will appear yellow color to him, because red and green combine and give secondary color yellow. So this example just now that I taught is an example of color subtraction. See, from these three primary colors, blue color is subtracted from the light and it is absorbed by the surface, and the remaining two colors are reflected. So this is just one example. Suppose now from these three colors, if green color was absorbed, then only red and blue would have been reflected, and red and blue primary colors, when they combine, what color they appear to us? Red and blue create an impression of magenta color. So if green color was absorbed and red and blue would have been reflected, then the reflected ray would have appeared to us what color? Magenta color.